them losing Eberechi Eze, they're still not showing signs of slowing down. Now anacheza poa, and Glasner is one to watch. Chanipatie Jalala chance tuambie juu ya Arsenal versus Crystal Palace.
Hey, kama kuna mtu tunaweza, kama kuna team tunaweza omba pray, labda sasa this week tuseme pray for Arsenal, pray for Arteta, because Oliver Glasner is on the way. Oliver Glasner is on the way. He's a top coach, nimemrate sana. Na yeah, Crystal Palace our slow down, wamelose some good players, but wameweza kukeep McGoy, wako na Adam Wharton hapo hivyo, wako na some good players, so I'm expecting them to do something. But at the end of the day itakuwa a very difficult game. But John Philippe Mateta, bad boy striker. I'm expecting him to score. So yeah, itakuwa a tough game, but hiyo nasema 1-1.
1-1 and Bodi unaonaje hiyo game Arsenal versus Palace?
Hiyo full time 2-2
full time. Jose unaonaje hiyo game ya Arsenal na Palace?
Hiyo game ni one of the hardest games hiyo weekend on Sunday, and I'm seeing a place where Newcastle have a good record, and they have a good record against these big teams. So I'm seeing a scenario where they can get a 2-1. Crystal Palace can get a 2-1 win Emirates. Unajua watu wanabidi vigi ati Emirates hakuna mtu anatoa point hivi rahisi, lakini I'm seeing a Crystal Palace win. Anaona Mateta akifunga hizo bao zote mbili. So nimepeana hata striker, nimepeana hata ule atafunga. So I see a 2-1 win for them.
Okay, asante sana Jose, and let's move on swiftly hapo. Still hapo tuko na Everton versus Tottenham, and Thomas Frank kidogo ni kama kazi ya Tottenham zile shida zilikuwa zinafuata Big Ganj zimeanza kumfuata, because it's like his tactics are not really working, because Spurs hajakuwa ikicheza poa in the weekend, even in the Champions League hajakuwa ikicheza poa, and it's reflecting on their points tally. They're not doing well, and this weekend wana travel, they're going to